guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jacqueline, and today I've got for you the ultimate cream tea. So here's the ingredients list on screen. Okay guys, let's get started. We're going to take our butter and we're going to rub the flour and butter together using our fingers. So guys, what you want to do is really work that butter in between your fingers. We want to get the same consistency as if you were making a crumble. We want to take our milk and pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds to warm it up, and then we're going to drop in our lemon and our vanilla. These three things react together, and it's what we're going to use to put into our mixture for it to rise. So we're going to set that aside for a minute or so for it to do its thing. So guys, we're going to make a well within our mixture, and then we're going to pour in our milk mixture and mix it up with a knife. Guys, you're probably wondering, why a cream tea? Well, everyone loves a cream tea, don't they? Or is it just me? Well, I thought, seeing as we're all in lockdown, it would be nice to bring the cream tea to you. As you can see, our dough is slowly forming, and this is exactly what we want. As you can see, the dough is nicely formed. We're now going to smooth it out by kneading it onto a floured board. So we just want to sprinkle some flour around our board. This will just make it easier and stop the dough from sticking when we're about to roll it. Oh, also I forgot, we need a rolling pin and some cookie cutters. If you haven't got cookie cutters, don't worry, you can use a wine glass which has been floured around the rim. We just need to move it forward and back with our palms, and then maybe punch it a little. There's always been a bit of a debate with scones. Well, firstly scones or scone, or if you put the jam first or the cream first. Let me know in the comments what you think. So now, as we can see, the dough is nice and smooth. What we want to do is flour out our board a bit more, and we're going to roll it to 1 inch thick. This mix will make around 12 delicious scones. You can add sultanas into the scone mix too, but I'm not a massive fan of sultanas, so I've left them out, but you can, and you can also add in chocolate chips. So now we have rolled out our dough, we are going to grab our cookie cutters and we're going to cut them out. So guys, we need to make sure that our oven is preheating. We're going to line a tray with foil or greaseproof paper. You want to put it on for 200 degrees. As you can see, I'm just repeating the process, and then we're going to pop them onto our baking tray. We need to egg wash the scones first, but if you don't eat egg, don't worry, you can use milk. It works just the same. So we're just going to pop our scones onto the baking tray. Glazing our scones will allow them to come out nice and golden. Now they are ready to be popped into the oven for 10 minutes. Hey guys, what's happening? So we've just put our scones into the oven, and while they're in the oven we want to prepare our cream. So we're going to whip that up, and then we're going to put some icing sugar in there to make it a bit of a chantilly vibe, and then we're going to serve our bad boys. I cannot wait. Ooh, they look like heavenly pillows. Now they're all baked, we just have to wait for them to cool. In the meantime, we're going to whip up our cream. can add a bit of icing sugar. You don't have to, but it just gives it a bit of a sweeter flavour. And here we have our cream, guys. Be careful not to over whip it. So guys, who's excited for our scones? I'm going to serve this with a lovely cup of tea. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut each scone in half, and then we're going to fill it with jam and cream. So these are almost complete. We just need one more thing. We're going to add a nice sprinkling of icing sugar. There we have it, guys. Time to go be posh. As you can see, I'm super excited about eating these. That was my cream tea video. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. I'll see you next time.